Second day of feeding my little cutie bird. Ayan. He is hungry now. The name of this one is Patrick. This is Patrick. See? Hungry? Okay. Come on, Bobby. This is, the name of this one is Patrick. Okay. Can you take a photo with me too?
Okay.
Okay. This is Patrick, okay?
Don't eat him too much, he will drown.
Okay. I have a rest. And then I get another one. See? The name of this one is Kenneth. I'll show you. It's Kenneth. This is Kuya Kenneth. See? This is a Patrick, the small one. And it's a big one. Is Kenneth. This one is Patrick. So this one may be hungry. I give the food already, but second blow for this feeding time. Okay.